I'll show you in this Wix tutorial how you can sell videos on Wix website. So this is gonna help you. This Wix videos. It's gonna help you to like sell on offer like subscriptions on YouTube on your website, and it's really a great way to monetize your video content, especially if you like have like courses or other video based services. So what we're gonna have here is to click on add apps, and then here we're gonna have to look for video Wix videos. Okay, just search in the click here in the search bar and search for that. And here we have Wix videos. Click on Wix video, and then here this is the app we need. Click on add to site. Now this is just adding to our website. We're just gonna have to wait a couple of seconds and this is done. So here we have video channel. Let me zoom in. Okay, and now I have here my business. I have video Wix video. Okay, to get more views, you can upgrade. And now here we have manage videos and add video elements. Now I'm gonna click first on here, and let's say I'll add this one. And now here we have manage video. You can manage your video from here. So here we have mini video library, and you're gonna have to upload now your video here. Just upload a video. So I uploaded now video here. I can click on edit video info. This is just a tutorial. You can add actually a title here, published by, category, tags, and description. And then you can just save. But before doing that, don't forget to actually add a pricing. This can be free to watch. Anyone can watch, or sign up only when anyone can watch. And then you have here the option download option, allow download or no downloads. You can also show a trailer like show up first 20 seconds, which is pretty cool. Or upload, you can upload your own trailer. Auto generate 30 seconds. You also have that option. More about, and then you have the crew. You can add that as well, which I also think that's cool. You can also upgrade, by the way. Now we can click on save here. We have our video here. And then, by the way, of course, we can click on here and manage. And this will direct us to video library, which we didn't have before because we have that because we added this app. We have this Wix apps, which are decent. And now here we can click on settings. And here we have video, channel, single video, or layout. We can change the layout from here. Display, let's say we want to sign up, or category, player, and then design. Then here we can also go back, click on Wix video, and then here we have manage video, which will direct us to back to videos and back to videos. And then here we also have manage channels and live stream. We also have that option. I'm gonna check all of those for you. And here we have video size be measured. We have the video storage usage. So yeah, there is a limit in channels. You can also live stream. So you have the live stream video will be stored here. So you can see here schedule, mobile, desktop, and then here you can download live from your, you have that option there as well. But here you also have promote by email, upload to social, and add action card. And here with this action card, you can say promote a video. Then that's something you can do as well. Feature channel. Let's say maybe here I'd like to add the feature channel to this video. And then here at this point, you can of course edit where, when, here the time. And with the video, yeah, that's pretty much how you can, if you select here pay, now you can add a price, download option, allow download. You can also no downloads. Video can be rented also. And now let's click on save. And this is actually a paid video. Let me actually just click on here Let's see if it works. Okay, and 0, 1. But anyways, and now here we have manage video. So we can maybe upload more video from a computer. You can also you can do it from YouTube, Facebook, Google Drive. You can also click on here live stream, as I said before. But let's click on here now and manage video. Sorry, not manage video. Choose a video, and I'm gonna select this one. And then here, as I said before, we can have a layout. But let's click on preview now. And let's say I like
show you in
to
this
watch
week's
this video, but
tutorial
that's just the
how
trailer, right? You can click on here to buy, but you can click on even publish, and then we can go to view site, right? And then here we can click on, we're gonna have just a preview, and then here that person will click on buy here. One video, click to purchase. They can sign up because I have that option, but you can remove that. And here, now, as I said before, that's design here. It's just a testing website. Of course, I wouldn't use this design, but anyways, now here I can go back and let's test this without having here. So you can upload a trailer or first seconds. Let's say now select if we have here 20 seconds. All right. So yeah, let's click on save. Now we can click on publish and we can view site. Okay. And let's check now. We have now 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds finished, you pretty much need to buy, right? Will not work. You know, if you want to watch now more than 20 seconds, of course you have to buy, right? So here we're gonna check all the apps, as I said before. We have here apps, we have the forum, videos, and portfolio. But yeah, now if you want to remove Wix video, you just click on here and you select delete here. And here you can, of course, give the option to allow downloads. And that's pretty much it. So also, I've looked through other apps here for video. So if you search here video, that's what you will find. So not pretty much nothing special. You have the showcase photos. You have photo videos by display. But even if you write video, sell, or you also have this e-commerce, which is something you can try. Let's say if you add this to your website, you just need to wait a couple of seconds. I thought about showing you this, but it's not really maybe. It's what you're looking for if you want, video. You want to sell videos, right? You can try this. That's something you can try. Let's say sell something on using this e-commerce stores, and here you can click on manage products. Now it's going to be added here, this catalog, but you can click on here physical. Let's say this is a digital product, which in our case is a video, and you upload here a file, right? You're going to upload here a file. So you have image, audio, document, and then zip file. But here, I have to do more research, but it doesn't really work if you like to, just add upload here, image, a video, a zip file. I don't know, it's just not really gonna work, but I'm gonna do more research. So make sure you subscribe. I'll create a part 2. For those that are, looking for ways to sell or just sell videos, yeah. Now you can use this, but as I said, I like more customization. Yeah, I like more options, but yeah, that's what we have for now. You can also add a cover here. But yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.